Today we're going to be mixing the secondary colors using the primary colors. We are going to make 6 circles and turn them into birds. We will be using, again, yellow, blue, and red to mix green, orange, and violet, the secondary colors. You will each need a horizontal piece of paper, a pencil. There will be the three primary colors, paints at your table. You will each get a mixing tray. There will be a water bucket, a paper towel. You will each be using your own small paintbrush, and then there will be 3 bigger paintbrushes for each of the primary colors, as we do not want to mix in the cups but on our mixing plate. The first thing we need to do is do our circles. So on one side of your paper, I want you to go ahead and write your name nice and big across the middle. Then flip it over so you can't see your name. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to trace this can lid 6 times across our page. You do need to start on the edge so that we have room for all 6 of our circles. Holding it with my offhand, tracing it with my strong hand. Go ahead and trace your 6 circles. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start painting just the primary colors. So I am going to start with yellow. Maybe each one start with a different primary color. I'm going to start with yellow, and you can paint it anywhere. I think I'll paint it right in the middle. Staying inside these lines the best that I can. Then I have a paintbrush, and I don't want to mix in the lid, so I do have to go in my water bucket, rinse it out, dab on the edge, rinse it out again, dab on the edge. Then you're going to use your paper towel to do an extra kind of dab there. Then I'm ready for my second primary color. I'm going to grab blue, and you can put that anywhere. I think I'll put blue here. Taking my time, using plenty of paint. Again, before going to red, I need to rinse, dab, rinse. You can see my water is actually turning green. That means yellow and blue make green. Then I can get my last primary color and paint it anywhere you'd like. So I may even spread them out so they're all, but you could do them next to each other if you wanted. You can do them wherever you would like, the 3 primary colors. Go ahead and paint in only 3 circles using the primary colors. Go. Next, we are going to mix the secondary colors. That's what the bigger brushes are for. So you're each going to start, let's start with red and yellow. So I'm going to take a little red, and a little yellow, about even amounts, and then with your small paintbrush, I'm going to mix the 2 together. And it made orange. Once you've mixed it all in together, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to paint. I think I'll actually paint it in here because red and yellow make orange. So go ahead and paint and mix your first secondary color orange. Next, I'm ready for my secondary color. I'm going to try red and blue. So I'm going to use my red brush, and then I'm going to take the clean brush. You want about the same amounts of each color. You will have to take turns. There's only 3 brushes per color. Then I'm going to take my clean brush, my little brush, and I'm going to mix the two together. And it has made purple. I know it's hard to see in the video, but it has kind of made a darker purple. Now I'm going to go ahead and paint that in here. I think I'm going to go next to the blue. So go ahead and mix purple. Finally, I'm going to mix blue and yellow. So I have a clean brush. Make sure your brush is clean. Then I'm going to take my blue and my yellow, keeping these brushes as clean as you can. Then I'm going to take my little brush, my clean brush, and mix the two together. And I have made a green. And I'm going to paint my last circle green. Go ahead and mix green.